Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we are going to change the sound of the Mini Cooper. Yes, this car right here, we are changing the exhaust today, so stay tuned for that one. Perfect. If you follow the channel, you will know that I've complained about this exhaust for some time now. So today I'm changing it. I'm going to straight pipe this car. Yes, changing everything from the downpipe all the way to the exhaust right here. Yes, it's going to be loud. Maybe my neighbors are going to hate me, but I don't care. I just love my car, right? And yeah, let me show you how it sounds right now so you can clearly see the difference once it is straight pipe. As you can clearly see, it is not loud, not enough. It's like a prayer to me. So I like some muscle. I like to hear rumble. I like the floor to shake. That's exactly what I'm trying to achieve. Now let me show you some rolling shots, when I'm driving, how the exhaust sound on sport mode. The car is getting ready. Almost there. Almost there. Straight pipe. So guys, how was that? Man, that's incredible. I love the sound. I love it. I love it. Ooh, I can't wait to drive it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Man, that was the first time I hear it. You heard it just like me, and I can't wait to have it on the street, man. So let me pick up the car now. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do a quick POV. I'm gonna start up the car, I'm gonna drive around, and you will hear with me how it sounds like with the window up, windows down, etc. So let's go. And also I want to point out that I don't have any light on my dash, so that's a good thing. Shouldn't have any light, by the way. Alright, let's go. I'm driving right now on regular mode. Oh yes, nice. Alright guys, so I drove around and you heard the clips. I love the sound, I love everything about it. I love the tips, and they poke out a little bit, as you can see. That's because I wanted it this way, since in the future I might have some type of diffuser here, and with this poke right here is will be perfect. So yeah, let's hear how it sounds right now, the way it is. So I'm going to put it in sport mode and you are going to hear it. Alright guys, so you hear the before and after the straight pipe. I love the sound. The gas pedal is a little more responsive, and man, I feel like the engine is breathing freely. Now it's like a whole different car. Honestly, just by doing this little mod, man, if you have this Mini Cooper, please straight pipe it. It's not extremely loud like the M3. I was kind of hoping for that, but no, I guess 4-cylinder is not going to give me that. But it is loud enough for me to notice, inside the cabin when I'm driving. I hear the crackers and pops. Man, it is unbelievable. It is pretty nice. So on this note, I'm going to let you go right now, so I see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and also like this video if you like this type of content. See you guys.